Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
New York Times Business. October 8, 1918 America, New York. Apple appeals App Store ruling in fight with Epic Games. At the heart of the legal battle is the power Apple wields over its lucrative App Store. Tim Sweeney, the chief executive of Epic Games, has led a fight by developers against Apple's App Store rules.
Daily FX Market News. October 8, 1900 America, New York. Australian dollar outlook. Energy burst boosts markets. Can it drive AUD, USD up? The Australian dollar is subject to external forces as commodities roar and risk sentiment sways under Chinese outcomes. Where to next for AUD, USD?
The Library of Economics and Liberty. October 8, 1830 America, New York. Great moments in central planning. I'm working on a speech that I'll give at the local Osher Lifelong Learning Institute, OLI, next month. The topic is my Uncle Fred Henderson's and Aunt Jamie Henderson's adventures while crossing the Atlantic in April 1941. New York Times Business. October 8, 1739 America, New York. The S.E.C. has issued a subpoena to Archegos, the $10 billion firm that collapsed spectacularly. The S.E.C.'s chair has said that the Archegos trading debacle revealed gaps in the regulatory requirements for investment firms and lightly regulated family offices.
Global Economy. October 8, 1700 America, New York. Bridgewater warns fighting inflation risks derailing economic recovery. Co-chief investment officer says central banks could find themselves powerless as rising energy prices rock markets.
New York Times Business. October 8, 1640 America, New York. Disney World reveals how much its new line skipping system will cost. Complete access will add roughly $40 to the price of daily park entry.
Forex Live. October 8, 1627 America, New York. Forex Live, America's FX news wrap. Non-farm payrolls miss the mark. Forex news for North American trade on Friday, October 8. Markets. The jobs report put a focus on the US dollar and the initial reaction was 20 to 40 pips of US dollar selling, but beneath the surface there were enough caveats and silver linings to keep that trade in check. Forex Live. October 8, 1608 America, New York. Major US indices close the day lower. Snap a 3-day win streak. Nasdaq index falls minus 0.5%. S&P and Dow marginally lower on the day. A look at the final numbers shows.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 8, 1607 America, New York. Facebook is down again for some users. The social media giant's latest disruption follows hours-long outage earlier this week. The company said it is working to get things back to normal as quickly as possible.
Forex Live. October 8, 1601 America, New York. Some technical stories to mull over the weekend and trade in the new week. What to know from a technical perspective. The EUR/USD is looking to close the week right around the 200-week moving average at 1.1570 after trading above and below that MA, and the 100-week MA at 1.1603. Forex Live. October 8, 1553 America, New York. White House weighs wide-ranging push for crypto oversight. Newswire report the rumors have been swirling for days on a number of fronts, particularly stable coins. I don't know if regulation is that much of a fear for crypto bulls any longer.
New York Times Business. October 8, 1549 America, New York. Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp go down again for some users. All of Facebook's main products, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger and the Big Blue app of Facebook, were inaccessible to at least some users around 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Facebook's headquarters in Menlo Park, California.
Forex Live. October 8, 1533 America, New York. Monday is a holiday in some markets. It's Columbus Day in the US and Thanksgiving in Canada. Monday is a semi-holiday in the US, Columbus Day, so that will crimp activity. The CME and NYSE are open and SIFMA doesn't recommend a bond closure.
New York Times Business. October 8, 1506 America, New York. At New York Comic Con, masks are no longer just for fun. Fans are coming up with creative ideas to incorporate masks into their cosplay as in-person gatherings. Resume, with restrictions.
Global Economy. October 8, 1454 America New York, Brussels offers to scrap many un-Ireland border controls to ease tensions. Food products would be labelled UK only, and not cross to Ireland, but offer falls short of demands.
Forex Live. October 8, 1451 America New York, WTI crude oil settles at $79.35. Up $1.05 or 1.34%. The high for the day reached $80.11. The low for the day extended to $78.63. A week ago, the price settled at $75.88. With the price settling at $79.35, that's a gain of 4.57% for the week. Forex Live. October 8, 1448 America New York, how low can EUR, USD technically go? What's the trade? BOFA. What's next for the euro? Bank of America Global Research discusses EUR, USD technical outlook and sees a scope for a move towards 1.1495, ahead of 1.13s. Euro has declined and broken below 4Q20 supports at 1.1603.
New York Times Business. October 8, 1419 America New York, U.S. Holocaust museums are updating content and context. Many organizations are now trying to reach wider and younger audiences, and to tackle topics beyond the Holocaust. A rendering of a survivors gallery planned as part of an expansion of the St.
Forex Live. October 8, 1404 America New York, MUFG Trade of the Week, Sell AUD, CAD. AUD, CAD is trading at 0.9111. MUFG Resurrec recommends selling AUD, CAD in its weekly FX pick. They sell from spot with a target at 0.8850 and a stop at 0.9350.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 8, 1357 America New York, India's Tata Sons to buy Air India for $2.4 billion. The deal includes the budget arm Air India Express and a 50% stake in an airport services joint venture with Singapore's SATS. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 8, 1342 America New York, global supply chain problems escalate, threatening economic recovery. Shortages of components, surging prices of raw materials, transportation backups and pandemic lockdowns are squeezing manufacturers around the world, and the bottlenecks keep compounding.